Hi guys, so if you are getting this black box and Mac OS is talking, every actions of you is being talked upon, then how to get rid of this? So first of all, what you can do, you can just click on the close button and it gets empty and it gets cleared instantly. So the best option is to close it. The second option is just press Command and F5 key together.
Welcome to VoiceOver.
And now
VoiceOver
just
speaks description
tap on
of items
turn
on the
off
screen.
voiceover, okay, and that's it, it will be turned off. Another option to turn it off is just click on this Apple icon, click on system settings, now tap on accessibility from the left, and from the right side just tap on voiceover and just turn voiceover off, okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.